Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use TeamSpeak with friends. Using TeamSpeak with friends is a great way to communicate clearly and coordinate smoothly during gaming or online activities. So now, turn on your PC and make sure to sign into Windows. Then, open your web browser and go to the official TeamSpeak website. Download the TeamSpeak client for Windows. Install the application. Follow the prompts to successfully install the TeamSpeak by agreeing to the terms, choosing installation folder, and launch it after the successful installation. Then hit the install. After that, click Finish. Here, scroll to the bottom and click Accept. Then hit Continue. Create your account by clicking Create Account. Here, provide necessary details such as email address, password, and username. Then click Create. Make sure you check your email for verification to move forward. Here, choose your nickname, then hit OK. Click Connections at the top menu. Then select Connect. Ask your friend for the server address, nickname, and password if required. Enter the server address in the server address field. Type your preferred nickname. Enter the server password if there's one. Click Connect to join the server. And now we already entered the channel. Now let us find the channel. So I'll scroll down and double click a channel inside the server, then enter the password and hit OK to join your friends. Test your microphone and start talking with your friends. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.